The Littlest Elephant by Kate Reid. Ellie, the littlest elephant, was in a big hurry. Guys, meet Ellie. She is very little and she's in a hurry. She shouted, "I've just learned to swim," she shouted. "I'm going to be first in the pool," she called to the chameleon as she rushed past. She's very excited and she's going to be the first. Oh no! Whoop! But the littlest elephant was in such a rush that she didn't stop to listen. It broke his branch. "I'm going to jump off the side like this," she said to the monkeys up in the trees. She's very excited. "Watch out! Mind our mangoes!" But Ellie didn't stop to see. She's very excited. "I can splish and splash in the water and blow big bubbles," she said to the spider. Then she bounced through the butterflies. Yeeks! But Ellie didn't stop to notice all the ruckus she's creating because he's in a hurry and she is very in a hurry. "I will squelch and squash in the soft mud," she called to the birds. "Careful!" But Ellie did not stop. "Careful, Ellie!" Ah! My tail! No! Ellie stopped. Just in time. Ellie listened. "Who said that?" "Me," said a tiny mouse. "Down here?" Ellie looked. "You nearly squashed me. Slow down and look where you're going, Ellie." The littlest elephant thought for a moment. "Sorry, everyone," she said. "I tried to be more careful." They do not look happy, guys. Every one of them. "I'm sorry, guys. I was just too excited." Everyone's pretty sure mad at Ellie. I was just so excited to get to the pool," said Ellie. "That's okay. We love the pool too." "Come with me," said Ellie. And everyone set off together. "I can't wait." Ellie remembered what the mouse had said. She looked where she was going. "Everyone stop! Someone's in trouble." She was much more careful. And she was very patient. She was very patient with everyone, even the caterpillars. Soon the pool was in sight. Oh my! Ellie looked at the water and then she looked at all her new friends. "Let's jump together," she said. "Are you all ready? Get set. Then go!" And then everyone jumped together. They're not very mad at Ellie now, and she knows better. She knows to be patient. She knows to be mindful. She knows to wait. She knows to look where she's going and to remind everybody patience is very important. You can't be in a hurry all the time. The Littlest Elephant. What a splash! That's right, that's what we want. What a splash. They're going to have such fun. The Littlest Elephant, everyone, by Kate Reid. Such fun book to read aloud.